What is up, guys? So today we're at another hiking adventure, a place called Devil's Icebox. Already here. Oh wow. Look, guys. So the adventure is to go under. So I guess right off the bat, I have to get my flashlights out. So just bear with me. You never know. Alright. Hopefully my little stick can... It's holding the weight so far. Got my boots on. Ouch. And I waterproofed them, so we are good. But we're gonna head in and probably not step in the water as much, but we're gonna head in and see what you guys see. So from what I'm told, there are bats. Right up there. See? Just remember, we're not here to harm you. Just walking around, little bats. It'll be okay. So, apparently there's a lot of bats in here. I'm not gonna be going crazy in here or far. Bats everywhere. Using echolocation and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, I think this is it, honestly. I don't know. Dude, I'm too big, so I will not be going in through any of these holes, because that's just not how I roll. I think this is pretty cool. I'm not feeling it in the dark, but there's water over here. Which is pretty cool. I haven't really got to use my flashlight before, so it's pretty cool to use it. Yeah, there was the baby bats over there in the front. They were in the back. Really nothing more up here. Just bats flying around. Actually, there's bats. There's bats on the bats over there. There's handprints. I know you guys probably can't see it. Not much of a bat fan. Nor do I want to be Batman that bad. But I know you guys probably can't see it. But there's handprints. Like people get in here. Not really harm the environment, but if you guys remember from my other video, whenever they were talking about whenever you touch like the rocks and stuff, it kind of destroys it. People put, I think it's water prints. A bunch of water prints and stuff in here. I'm not a fan of bats flying around though. But yeah. I mean, they went far in here. These guys were not scared of bats at all. Stop coming over here, bats. I'm trying to talk. Stop being like that. Go away. Oh. But yeah, I don't know if you guys see them. I'll try and get close. But like I said, I'm not a fan of bats getting in my face or getting around me. I'm not here to attack. Calm down. There's handprints. I mean, I'm not going there. I'm too edible for all that. But yeah, there's a. I mean, I guess you probably could if you wanted to. There's a little hole right back there where I guess you could. But I ain't doing all that. But this right here, I'm not for sure. Is this supposed to come up? Don't know. Can't really sure much for it. I am not a farmer. There guys, I think this is it. I'll show it to you guys again. Oh, here it is, guys. Icebox. I thought it was bigger than this. And I thought we'd have to. Honestly, I thought we were going to travel to it a lot. It was going to take a little bit, but it's basically right here at the main entrance. It's pretty cool. I think I'll go back because I don't see myself climbing this. Looks like at one point they had steps. But I don't think those worked out too well. So yeah, I left my walking stick up there. Not a good idea. But yeah, there were steps here at one point, but I think they got tore up. This is it, guys. This is the water. Nothing really in there. Nope, yeah guys, it wasn't too bad. As you guys could tell, there were little baby bats in their little cave. Like all these little holes, I'm sure hold some bats, but nothing wrong with bats. Bats don't hurt people. But yeah, the baby bats were chirping away when I got close. Maybe they thought I was a threat. That's where they poop. How dark it is. That's all their poo-poo. Whoa, dude. Little baby bat. Yes, guys, that is those Icebox. I don't know why they called it that, but that would be. Maybe you have to read into why they call it that, but I have absolutely no idea. Gonna actually turn this light off. Getting blinded. Okay. Whew. Whew. Just seeing dots now. Hey guys, well that was fun. I guess I'll do another video sometime next year. I'm just kidding. A whiskey distillery. Oh, okay. Whiskey distillery and stuff. You guys can pause to read if you want. So there's two trails. One going up a hill and one going up and one going this way. You guys know me, I like to take the risk. I'm gonna go up. So we're good. What the freak is all this? Alright. Mansion and log cabins. Pause to read if you guys want to read it. Pause to read if you want to read it. Alright, I'm pretty fast. Whoa, dude. Think about taking this path at night. I know you guys probably can't see it very good or very far, but it's like, hold up, what? The heck? is a silo. Wow, I'm surprised that thing is still here. Daggum, dude. People have vandalized everything. That's crazy. As humans, that's crazy. Like, look at it, dude. It's so vandalized. Daggum, dude. That thing goes down in there deep. I didn't know silos went down that deep. Huh. People actually, that's crazy. Dude, my thing is not working. Sorry guys, I don't have my normal little stick. I'm using like a little extender. So you know, it extends. So it has like a flexible knuckle, but it's like not very sturdy. Whoa. It's upside down, but that's crazy. People jumped in there just to spray paint it. That's ridiculous. Dude, like as humans, why do we vandalize everything? Like, I get it. I guess it's cool. Graffiti, something. But here you guys go. Read. Pause to read. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't like. Oh, I went backwards. Hey, look. Like why? Someone please help me understand why people do that. Like why? Whoa, dude. Ugh. Crash this. This water's gross, dude. Owie. Owie. Get off me. Dude, there's a deer right there. Look. There's a deer right there. Look. Deer just sitting right there. Look. Doesn't even care. It's crazy. There's two of them. Two bucks. They're fighting. That was beautiful. They were starting to fight. They heard me a little bit. I know they have good hearing. Dang it, dude. I really wanted to watch them fight. Dang it. That sucks. They were young bucks. I think they were just playing around. Dang it. Dadgum. But yeah, guys, they were fighting. Dang it. I mean, if I would have kept walking straight, they would have seen me. Because they were just right there. I can still hear them moving around. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible, but whispering, I don't know if it works. And this mic can pick it up that well. I think it's crazy that they can move and almost stealth-like in the woods. Like right when you only heard them when they took off, that's it. Then after that, they're gone. Like you didn't even hear them. Hey guys. I mean, I think this is more for me. But yeah, I don't know. So there's a creek. I don't even know what route we're on. I think we're on the sinkhole trail. Okay, yeah, you are here, sinkhole trail. So just keep going straight. Then it wraps around to the parking lot. And then this is another, oh, that's a shortcut Oh, it explains wrong way. So someone, what the heck? Sorry, I know this is the wrong way, but I want to see those mushrooms. I'm not a mushroom hunter, but they look pretty cool. Dude, I'm telling you, I haven't been nature hiking in a very, very long time. Or just nature hiking at all. Look at these things. I'm pretty sure you can't eat those. But like I said, I'm not a mushroom hunter, and I have no idea. No, yeah, no, yeah, I did. Son of a... Sorry guys, I really want to see more deer. That was pretty cool. I don't care what anyone says. That was the coolest experience of my life. Water shouldn't have a taste. But let me tell you, if you guys don't know, I'm in Missouri. Cool beans. But Jefferson City water is the most disgusting water I've ever tried in my life. I don't know what they did, but they ruined that water. Like, I'm from, the city as well, like a little small town of that. But ours doesn't even taste like that. Like, our water doesn't taste like that. Granted, I haven't really had sink water since I was probably a kid, because back then no one really cared, and I drink out of the water hose because no one gave a crap, and all this scientific stuff didn't come up. But I mean, now we get well water from my grandparents. But Jefferson City filtered water is terrible. Like, there's these little, you guys have ever seen them, they're supposed to be water fountains, but you can also put your drink up to them and fill it. So I'd go there and get some water, and it's just awful. Like, it is the worst water I've ever tasted. It gives you an aftertaste, and water should not give you any type of aftertaste. That's just me. I could be wrong, but water should taste like water. Literally nothing. So Jefferson City, please fix your water. It is garbage. I don't know what you guys are doing to clean it, or what type of chemicals you put in it, but please freaking fix it.
Living life every day, late at night.